heartily congratulations to you
Thank you.
for successful achievement of NEBOSH IGC International General Certificate course with the credit score. Okay. Many heartily congratulations to you and God bless you for the future success. Okay. This is your reward, your certificate. We are giving in a very beautiful file folder. You can see. Yeah, you can store many other certificate as well. Okay. Okay. You have Ayush. This is This is against the credit.
Credit.
Okay. Wow. Also you got it. Okay. So now this is the file and this is also. See, you can see. Okay. We have made for the learners. Okay. Because NEBOSH is such a good important certificate. When we are sending to the certificate to the students, okay, so the certificate should reach in a very appropriate safe manner. So this is a file, very expensive file, okay. Okay, so see how it looks. Okay, we are giving you pen also you can see it is a 3 years LIFE SAFE AKADEMie. And we are giving some small writing pad, something you will note down, okay. See, you can store, okay. So tell me about your feeling about 3 years.
Yeah.
Dil se bolo.
Yeah. Only thing I will tell every learner, just choose 3 years only for pursuing IGC. You can never get any other institute in India, I will tell, definitely. As per my choice, as per my experience, as per Megan's, 3 years is the best choice if you want to pursue IGC in India. So, this is what. Nothing else we can discuss. Need not to look for any other institute, just come 3 years. And you will definitely get this one.
Okay.
You get a chance to get this one.
Okay. Very good. Chalo, and we are expecting that like many of your friends, relatives. See, NEBOSH IGC is not a course only for the safety actually.
Yes.
So this will give you as a good professional. Okay. If I am looking the good career ahead. Okay. So NEBOSH is one of the best course. Everyone should look and do this course, okay? See, I can tell you, many of the doctors, professionals, they work in MBBS doctors, they are doing this course. Engineers is the best course after the engineering, okay? Either they are a mechanical, civil, electrical, computer, any engineering, they must do the NEBOSH. As they do the different certification course, this is the best course. Chalo, good. God bless you once again. And keep it up. Very good. Nice. Thank you. Good. Okay.
Many congratulations.
Thank
you. You have cleared the NEBOSH in the first attempt with a 72 marks. 72 is not an easy task. So just I want to know that how you selected the 3 years LIFE SAFE Academy.
Actually, for me, I was looking for many more in Google. I was keep searching which institute is best for me. Because we are paying, most probably we are paying, and alongside we want to pass. So people always think we are paying. So compared to that one, I gone through with the Google. So the review was 3 years were very best as per my knowledge, as I gone through with Google. So I choose 3 years.
Google, or I think you have gone through our website also.
Yeah, yes, your website.
So I suggested so many students when you are searching the NEBOSH institutes, at least go to the institution website, see they are presenting their results is not. If suppose I am saying over the phone 100% results, so how the 100% results is there? Okay, we have our own identity, that is our website. So if such results is there, definitely I will put on our website. If not is there, I can't put 100% results, sir. Okay, so students, when you are searching as a NEBOSH institutions, so when you are selecting, at least go to the different institute websites, see the results, see the performance, go through their YouTube videos, go through their Google reviews, percentage ratio. No institution can give the 100% results. I am correct? Okay. कभी 90 होगा, कभी 70 होगा, कभी 80 होगा, कभी 50 होगा, but whatever the results we are presenting on the website. Second thing, when you have joined, so what are the things you have taken during the classes so that you score such type of marks? Can you explain step by step? जैसे कैसे classes होती थी?
Firstly, I will tell most motivation. The motivation our sir gave us such a wonderful motivation. He make us feel like this is nothing we can easily we can pass.
Yes.
That is most important. He will make us motivate like that. Every time when we call, when he talk with us, he will make it that easy. And thereafter the classes wise also, they will train like step by step. How they will not pressurize you. They will make it very easiest techniques. They will give mock test. They will give classes as per daily basis. Initiation, they will make us understand what is NEBOSH initially first.
Initial basis group task.
Group task.
So can you tell about the group tasks, about the 3S, because I heard that कि group task is given by only the some of the institutions on the daily basis. तो कैसे करते थे group task?
सर इनिशियली पूरा एक्सप्लेन करते थे पूरा कैसे इसको करना है बोल के उन्होंने वही एक मॉक करके देते थे हमको पहले कैसे क्वेश्चन आएगा हमको कैसे क्रैक करना है बोल के बाद में क्योंकि सडनली एक क्वेश्चन को क्रैक करने का नहीं होता तो एक ग्रुप बना देते थे अगर 30 members you will make 4 groups then you will divide it and give us a task so आप आपस में डिस्कशन करके हम उसको रिव्यू करें क्योंकि जब हम आपस में बात करते हैं हम इन्वॉल्व होते हैं तो आइडियाज जो है ना पास आउट होते हैं क्योंकि उनको कुछ लड़कों को ज्यादा उसके बारे में थोड़ा आइडिया से तो किसको समझ में नहीं आएगा वो भी वो लोग समझ सकते हैं तो
आइडिया एक्सचेंज ड्यूरिंग द ग्रुप टास्क इज मोस्ट बेनिफिशियल
इसको कंफ्यूजन रहता है स्टिल तो उस टाइम वो बात करने के टाइम में आपस में हम जब सर से बात करने से भी लड़के लोग बात करने के टाइम में जो भी उसको ये रहते नेगेटिव रहते कुछ भी कंफ्यूजन रहते वो आपस में क्लियर कर लेते क्योंकि इसको बोलते क्या काइंड ऑफ ग्रुप स्टडीज सो वी कैन सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम इजीली सो एक आइडिया मिलता है कैसे बोल के तो नेक्स्ट टाइम भी
व्हाट अबाउट द मॉक टेस्ट प्रीवियस पेपर जो फुल सॉल्व किया आपने हाउ मेनी प्रीवियस पेपर और मॉक टेस्ट यू हैव सॉल्व्ड
everything green actually my result was in green for every mock test
you are in the green zone
okay so सभी mock test जितना भी किया वो मैंने clearly complete किया था actually और 3-4 इसमें clear किया था
generally red zone people are allowed to attend the next batch which is free of cost and green zone or yellow zone are giving the examinations
yes.
That is the best benefits of the 3S Life Safe Academy given to the students
सर ये सजेस्ट करते हैं अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा बैक है तो थोड़ा सा और एडिशनल उनको ट्रेन करते हैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में तो इतना तो कोई स्टूडेंट नहीं करता है क्योंकि 3S के एक मेन पॉइंट रहते हैं उनको IGC पास आउट करना
so can you give some 10 advice collection of key points and how you have written
actually in our training time each and every point bullet points they have given and most probably our sir made a book 3 years that is kind of bible for I say for NEBOSH definitely you can find everything in that if you have some moment to learn it what we say कुछ चाहते तो आपको पास आउट करना तो just go through with that book and whatever points sir will give that only came in NEBOSH nothing else so just go through that थोड़ा सा हमको क्वेश्चन को टैकल करने का सर क्लियरली बता देते हैं कैसे टैकल करना है बोल के बस उतना ही रहता है सो टाइम थोड़ा मैनेज करके जैसे सर ने और हमारा ट्विटर ने गाइड किया उसको फॉलो किया तो इजीली पास कर सकते हैं
means plurality of questions you know very well how to solve the question how to understand the questions how to write the answers key points and everything is in 3S books and the given sir notes that much is enough in the notes if you are applying if the key points given by the sir and the 3S books
that is only needed
that is only needed to get the scores so it's okay so best of luck and for the future also you suggest your friends to join
definitely
and for ID courses I welcome you to join the 3S because ID also we are giving one
actually,
of the best
one more actually it's one Maharashtra board that one
MSBT yes, that is compulsory nowadays any technical course
that was planning
that now I think you have to plan for 2025 24-25 because I think examination is closed.
Thank you, madam, for Really, I appreciate. And initial stage, I called you and I called sir. Thereafter, for fees purpose, I called you and he gave me such a wonderful package. Definitely, I am very thankful to you.
3 years empowering, 3 years safety, 3 years excellency. 3 years empowering, 3 years safety, 3 years excellency.